Hello guys, so magbabas kami ngayon. It's our first time na, ano tawag nito? Tour?
Shuttle bus.
Shuttle bus tour from, we're going to Lake Moraine and Lake Louise.
But sadly, it's raining, man.
So magbabas kami guys, kaya iniwan namin yung parking, yung sasakyan dun. And then medyo mahal yung parking dito.
21?
21 for 3 hours and then 42 for 4 hours. Pero pag makapunta kayo dito, maghanap na lang kayo ng mga parking na free. Pero kami kasi, dito lang kasi yung area na kaya nagpa-park kami sa may bayan. Alright, this is the bus.
Yeah. So,
Hi.
just any seats you like.
Oh, we're just only 4 here?
Only 4 of you.
Oh
Oh my
space,
God.
son.
Us, yeah.
Let's go to the front.
Okay,
Go
I'll
to the
stay
front,
with
okay.
You go to the front because
Private
our
tour.
main
Alright, so it's a
Okay.
private tour.
Let's go.
So guys, dito ako sa front kasi kami lang pala yung inantay nito. Pinakyaw ni Brian yung...
Magic, yeah, we're rich.
Okay,
Okay.
brothers.
Hello, sir.
You guys wanna water?
Yes, please.
Okay.
We have water.
You have water?
Free
We have
water?
bottled water here. Free
Wow,
water.
free water.
Everyone.
Okay.
What about food?
We have
Anybody else?
meat, sir. I like one.
Okay.
So, we are going to
We're
the
doing
first...
tea talk.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good,
exactly.
good.
What is our first destination, sir?
Moraine Lake. Normally Moraine Lake.
Moraine Lake.
Yeah, Moraine Lake.
So we're the only passengers.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So, pinakyaw ni Brian.
The only group.
Yeah. VIP. We have a VIP class here.
Yeah.
We're going to Lake
Oh,
Moraine right now, and
okay.
then next is
Like
Lake
Louise.
Lake
Louise.
Louise, and then the next one, the
Calgary.
The next one is come back here.
one- so it's just 2 sites.
Yeah,
Lake
it's
Moraine
about
and
4-hour trip.
4 hours.
Yeah, 4 hour to 4.5 hour.
Yeah,
Remember,
we pay 3 hours.
3 hours,
Yeah,
so we
that's good.
still have to
Yeah, that's good.
add for 1 hour.
Oh, you have an app, right?
Yeah.
we have
Okay, wait. Sounds good.
What is that?
So punta muna kami dito sa taas. Mag-hike kami kasi sabi nila mas maganda daw talaga tingnan yung lake na nasa elevated kumbaga. So, marami talaga pupunta doon. So I'm gonna let you see what's actually in the top. Daming tao talaga. Oh, it's another hike again. See, yun yung i-hike namin. So, dun kami pupunta. Alright, we're closer. Oh, what a nice lake. So this is the Lake Moraine, guys. Nandun yung mga tao. Wow!
Astonishing view.
What?
Astonishing.
Astonishing. Yan guys, ang daming tao dyan. Yan yung Lake Moraine. And then, yan, ang dami din tao dito sa kabila. Yan, marami.